In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find your Slack workspace URL, a super handy step for inviting new members, signing in on a new device, or troubleshooting access. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Slack tutorials. First, open Slack either on the desktop app or by going to slack.com in your browser. Log in using your email, Google or Apple account, making sure it's the one linked to the workspace you're trying to find. Once logged in, select the workspace you want. Each Slack workspace has its own unique URL. So this step is key. Now, look at the top left corner of Slack where your workspace name is displayed. Click the small downward arrow next to it. From the drop-down menu, choose Workspace Settings. Here, scroll down until you see the section labeled Workspace Name and URL. That's where you'll find the exact URL for your workspace. You can copy it and use it whenever you need quick access. And that's it. You've successfully found your Slack workspace URL. Simple, fast, and essential for staying connected with your team. Thanks for watching, and check out my other Slack guides to master your workflow.